Badminton looks complicated pero madali lang intindihin ng mga rules. So let's break it down into simple. So scoring. A match is based of 3 games. So each game played 21 points. So first to win 2 games wins a match. Ibig sabihin, tatlong laro ang laban. Pero kung mauna kang makadalawang panalo is tapos na yung laban. And winner of a rally scores 1 point. So whoever wins the rally gets the point. So kahit sino yung nag-serve, basta kung sino yung mananalo sa rally, siya yung makakukuha ng puntos. At 2020, a player must lead by 2 points to win. So you need 2 point leads to finish the game. So kapag tabla sa 2020 yung score nyo, kailangan ng isang grupo or isang team na makadalawang puntos para manalo. At 2029 naman, pag 29 naman yung score, the first to reach 30 points wins. So kasi yung 30 points is max na yon. So kapag sino yung umabot sa 30 points, siya yung panalo. The winner of the game serve first in the next game. So win a game, you serve first next. Kung nanalo ka sa game, ikaw ang unang magsaserve sa susunod na game. At 11 points, players get 1 minute break or quick rest. So kapag naka-reach na yung team mo ng 11 points, even sa single man or double, so may isang minutong break kayo or pahinga. Pwede kuminom ng tubig or kumain saglit. So between games, 2 minutes break, longer pause. So pagkatapos ng game, 2 minuto ang break. In the third game, players switch sides when one side reaches 11 points. So sa third game, yun yung tinatawag natin na exchange court. So pag nag 11 points yung isang team, so mag-exchange court na sila or swap courts. Ito naman tayo sa single badminton rules. Pag even yung score, serve from the right court. Ibig sabihin, kapag pantay yung score or yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sa right side ng court ka, magsaserve. Pag odd naman, yung 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 sa left side ka naman magsaserve. If the server wins, they score a point and serve again. Win a rally, keep serving, switch side. So, kung panalo yung server, dadagdagan siya ng 1 puntos at lipat side para mag-serve. So if the receiver wins, they score a point and become the new server. So kapag nanalo yung receiver, sila yung madadagdagan ng points at sila na rin yung magse-serve. So dito naman tayo sa doubles badminton rules. So only one serve per turn. One chance per side. So kapag natalo kayo, kapag kayo yung server tas natalo kayo, yun na lang yung points nyo. Even score yun, so parehas lang. Pag even score, serve from the right court. Pag odd naman is serve from the left court. If the serving side wins, they score a point and the same server continues. So, continuous yung mag-switch na ng court, yung sa odd at saka sa even. Same server pa rin pero switch side. So, if the receiving wins, they score a point and become the new serving side. So, kapag nanalo yung pag nanalo yung serving side, sila ulit yung magsaserve. Players stay in their service courts until win a rally while serving. So it means hindi lilipat ng pwesto hanggat hindi na nanalo habang nagsiserve. Errors are corrected immediately when noticed. So, pinifix dito yung mistakes right away para pag may mali sa serve, aayusin agad. Service versus rally. So, yung service kasi, ito yung old system. Only the server could score a point. Yun yung before. Only servers yung makakascore. And the rally is, ito yung new system. Whoever wins the rally scores a point. Now, anyone can score. Kapag sino yung mananalo sa rally, siya na yung makakascore. Ito na yung new system. Dito naman tayo sa safety and etiquette for playing badminton. Hold the racket firmly, or yung grip na hinahawakan natin, ihawakan natin na mabuti para hindi siya madulas sa kamay natin at makatama tayo ng iba. Avoid hitting your partner. So, be careful in doubles kasi may kasama ka, diba? So, huwag nating tamaan yung kakampi natin o yung partner natin. Stay in your own court to prevent collisions. So, it means, huwag ka mag-crossover, yung dapat manatili ka lang kung saan ka na court or saan ka na position para iwas yung banggaan. Stop play if someone enters your court. So, dapat mag-pause ka muna if may pumasok sa court mo. Pag may pumasok sa court mo, tigil mo na yung laro. Retrieve shuttles from other courts only during a pause. So, yun nga. Kapag halimbawa, may kumuha ng shuttles sa ibang court or sa court nyo, so tigil muna para baka matamaan. Para hindi ma-disturb yung rally or yung rallies. Kunin lang kapag yung kunin lang ang shuttle kapag tumigil na yung laro sa ibang court. Watch out for walls and net post. So be aware tayo, ingat sa pader or poste ng net. Agree on boundaries and first server before play. So clear rules first. So magkasundo muna sa linya at unang serve bago maglaro. Call your own lines. It means replay if unsure. Honesty dapat tayo. Sarili mong tawag sa linya, ulitin kung hindi sigurado. Shake hands after the match. So, bago magsimula, may shake hands muna for bilang respeto.